to my channel. If you are new, welcome back. If you are been with me for a very long time. So it's been a hot minute since I did a video. I think I did one maybe like a couple of days ago where I was having like a girls' day in at my sister's apartment and was just chilling and having fun and all that other jazz. I do have a vlog for you guys, but I still need to edit and I still need to add some more footage because I am doing more things tomorrow and also more things on Friday. So I kind of just want to have it all together in one big old vlog for you guys. But so yeah, so I've been really busy because my daughter's quinceañera is like 4 months away. So I've just been like extremely busy trying to get everything prepared for a photo shoot that she's going to be doing. I was going to say 2 weeks, but it's going to be 3 weeks. By Saturday it'll be 2 weeks. And so yeah, so one of the photo shoots that we're going to be doing 3 photo shoots actually with 3 different outfits. Since her theme is Cinderella, and I don't know, Cinderella I just always loved, and her nursery and all the other stuff has just been like princess since she was a baby. I went off the subject a little bit, but I'm going to be doing like a vlog and of me like doing things prepared for her quince, things that I am coming up with, and a lot of things that I'm purchasing and stuff like that. But anyway, we were out, me and my sister were out in like the city. We were like getting things ready, buying things and whatnot, and we came across this big boy right here. So this is the Walmart's favorite. They have like 4 different types of boxes, and one of them is like nails, one of them is like the skincare, one of them is like the lips, the other one is like, I don't know, like different things. But I really wanted this one because this one comes with a lot of like the skincare, and that's basically what I've been really needing right now. My face is very oily. I have oily skin, but because of this freaking weather, I'm really getting really dried in some areas that it's like not acceptable. Like some areas that I'm like, what the fuck, like really, like those areas, really those areas. But I have been getting super dried on my nose right here. I hate it because if you can see really close, like some of the skin starts peeling and it ends up itching. Then I'm also getting like dried right here. You can't really tell much, maybe you see like it's like cracking. I've had this makeup on all freaking day, guys, since like 9 o'clock this morning, and it's like 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, so it starts itching right here, and it's just like really like irritated. And then me having that I have big busted, I do have big boobs, we do tend to sweat underneath and in the middle, and I've always talked about that. Like my skin's been really like irritated lately. It's getting more dried, and it just looks like a lot of little bumps all in there, and it's kind of like subconscious also, and it's kind of just so I've been using a lot of this big boy. I have 2 big tubs of this because I got it for Christmas, and I'm using the Soap and Glory. So every time I take a shower, I kind of just like literally lather myself in this. Like I literally just put it like all between my boobs, underneath my elbows, and that's basically where I've been putting it. But I just wanted like a, you know, my skin is just kind of weird, just like really dried. I'm not used to it. Nothing bad to you girls that have dry skin rather than oily skin, but I actually miss my oily just because I'm not used to it being dry and flaky and itchy and any of that type of stuff. So I've been using this like literally every time it just moved, it shifted. I really didn't use all that part, but oh, it smells so good. But I literally like put this on in the morning when I get up, drop with the kids off. I come back, eat my breakfast, do what I need to do, and then I literally like in the afternoon when I get up to get ready, I put it on again. Then in the evening after we come back doing whatever, I put it on again. Then I take a shower in the middle, at night, and to relax, and I put it on again. So I'm like literally like kind of just realizing that I gotta do it constantly because it gets really itchy, and it's not a really pretty sight. It's kind of like a burn afterwards. So yeah, so I really wanted something like this. Maybe it'll help my skin. Try some of these products that I've never really tried before. So I know it's a big old intro. Okay, it's gonna probably start like at 4:35. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then you open the little box, and guys, this all right here is $9. That is like a steal. So I do want to get the other boxes, but lately I've been kind of like not spending so much because mostly all my money is going towards my daughter's quince, and I just kind of not want to think about anything else but that. But I do do have a channel. This is my channel, so I gotta, like, you know, I gotta keep you guys entertained. I gotta keep you guys what's new, what's good, what am I buying, how I use this look, and all that other jazz. So we're gonna go ahead and open this really nice big old boy here. And some of these products I have used, and some of them I have not. So my sister and I got the same thing. I don't know which one she was gonna give. She's like, do I do skincare? And I go, girl, I think we should do skincare because I love to, I need it. My skin's just really whack lately. So we're going to open her up. These little things are really good gifts. Like if you have, lately since the holidays, I literally have been having birthdays for so many people. I have nieces' birthdays that were after Christmas. I have Destiny's friends' birthdays that are near. Like it's just cousins, neighbors, like everybody that we're like really close to that have birthdays. And so, you know, these make really good gifts. So the first thing that it comes with is the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Tools. I think I've used these before. I can't really remember too much about it. But you can never have enough face wipes. And I love the fact that these, brighter light. There we go. There you go. So you can never have enough of these wipes. They really come in handy, especially since my skin is so irritated. I'll kind of help and clean all this area up. So that's pretty cool. And these are the 7 pre-moisture ones. So it comes 7 in this little pack, which isn't bad. So let's go ahead and pull there. So this one is a hydrating bubble mask, which is pretty cool because I actually have this, like the full size of it. So that is pretty cool. I like this. It does itch though, the Mo mask. I'm just like, ugh, just want to scratch it, but it's pretty cool. So that's pretty cool that it comes with like a little sample thing. That way you can try to see if you like it before you purchase it. Even though it's not really like you're spending too much, because e.l.f. isn't expensive at all. And this has like the glue that's stuck on there. But these are the Found, I guess this is the company, and they're Fruit AHA pill pads. Never tried this before, so I'm excited to try this. There's like glue on here that's stuck to the back of it. But it says apply to skin after cleansing to exfoliate and minimize the appearance of pores. Well, I got big pores, so this is really cool. I can't wait to do all of this because I really want to have like a face mask type of spa in my room for myself, you know? Okay, I like Jergens lotions. I really love the way they smell. I like their hand, like the hand soap that is the cherry almond, which I adore. And then I could never find it anywhere, and now they have it at Dollar Tree. So for $1, like I literally stock up on those. I don't know why everything has like a little X on them for some reason. I have no idea. Like someone marked it with the marker, but who knows, maybe they just kind of packaged it themselves that way. But oh my god, well, I already like opened it and it's dripping everywhere, which I'm surprised it's not sealed, which you would think they would be sealed. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I love Jergens. Like this, it really does feel like that wet skin moisturizer. I want to feel it all over. But oh, it smells really good. You can hear Piper eating, guys, so sorry. But yeah, that's another thing that comes out. So let's just go ahead and talk about this. This is CeraVe moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. It moisturizes, restores, and maintains and protected skin barrier. Well, I can't wait to try this little guy out because, again, like I said, my skin has been super dry lately and I have no idea why. Probably because the weather has been hot one minute and cold the next, and then really cold and then like kind of cool and then back to kind of hot, and it's just bipolar here. But I've never tried this before, so I can't wait to try this little guy out. And then the Olay Regenerist. This is I can't even see, smooth evenly over your cleansed face and neck morning. So I get and night. So this is what this little guy looks like, which is pretty cool because, let's be honest, like the bigger ones are kind of pricey. Now that I have that, I can't even open anything. But let me see if I can open it for you guys. I can't open it. I have too much stuff on my hands. But this is what it looks like. So I like Olay stuff, so I can't wait to try this little guy. Next is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, hydrating for everyday use, fragrance-free, all skin types, body and face. I know a lot of people have used this and I always see it and I know it's pretty popular, but I have never actually tried any of this. So I cannot wait to use this as well. So I like all this like stuff for my skin because my skin, like I said, has been like crazy. These are so fucking adorable. And the fact is that I have used these. I know one of them I don't really like too crazy about it because it has like too oily and there's two of them. But this one is the all skin types even sensitive, which I think I tried the pink one and I like this one. So you should put like a little pad and just kind of remove all your makeup. So that's pretty cool. And I'm always running out of stuff to remove my makeup because again, like I use makeup basically every single day. Unless it's my lazy day and I don't do shit, but that's today. The one I'm not too crazy about, as you can see the oil here, and this one is different, but it's a small one, so sometimes if this is all I have, I'm probably gonna go and use it if I run out of everything else. It's probably my last resort, but it's a little guy and I have my face wash to remove all the other stuff. But this is all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara type of thing, so that's pretty cool. And normally I probably just use this on the eyes just to remove like all like the glue and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool, and they're so little and they're so cute. Physicians Formula, which I like Physicians Formula, and this is the Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. I've never tried any kind of serum. Well, no, I have. Estee Lauder. I've tried Estee Lauder, but I've never tried this one, and I'm really into the whole oil thing. I want to see, maybe it'll help with this freaking skin. I keep smelling the other stuff I have. Oh, it smells like roses. It smells so freaking good. It is paraben-free, gluten-free, oil-free, dermatologist tested. Say that 5 times. And it's just a rose all-day oil. Oh, I can't wait to try this on my little routine tomorrow. Like, I like that. That is cool. A rose water facial mist. You already got me a facial mist because I love freaking facial mist. This one is a Sky Organics, 100% pure and natural. So it's like a little spray, which let me show you this right there. That is pretty cool. I can't wait to try this. I've never tried this brand either. And it's a hydrating toner, so that's pretty cool. And then the last but not least, as you can see, but this one I'm really excited to try. This is what, like, out of everything, this is what I really like to try out because it's lemon, and if you don't know, lemon's really good on your skin. And this is a zesty scrub, buffs and brightens with gentle micro scrubbies, oil-free, vitamin C, clean and clear, and it just says gently massage over damp face, avoid ice, rinse face, use daily. That is so cool. I cannot wait to try this to see if I like it, and if I do, I will be getting a full size of this product. That is really neat. I actually like stuff like this because I feel like you can just wrap the whole box and then like give them as a gift, or like holidays type of thing. Like you can really kind of decorate it different, where you can put them in the stockings. You can do like this, like I don't know if you guys saw my vlog where I did like the girls, instead of doing stockings, we did our own calendar, advent calendar, and I got to open something daily. Like this stuff like this I would love just to buy and then have it ready for Christmas, and they can do that same thing over, because I mean usually this stuff isn't gonna expire until you actually open the seal and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Although this was already open for some reason, that doesn't have like a little seal here. It was sealed in here, but I don't know. But anyway, that is it. I really like all this stuff. I can't wait to get the other box for $9. So probably gonna get like the lip stuff, like lipsticks and stuff like that, because that is my best. That was the other box that I wasn't too sure I was gonna get, that or the skin one. And I really like this one because I feel like you get more in this box than the other boxes. But anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys find them, because this box, I couldn't find them at my Walmart, but I found them at the other Walmart that is 30 minutes away from me. Those of you guys who know me and know where I'm from, in Calallen. I've found these in Calallen Walmart, in the like middle aisle section where the cosmetics is at. So that was pretty cool. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because you're there. Just hit the button. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell so you know if I can see videos. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.